Today we're leveling up my resin 3D printing area because, well, the chaos in here was starting to look like a boss fight. We're bringing in a wall control pegboard, new lighting, better organization, and of course showing off the absolute centerpiece of the zone, my favorite resin printer. I had my daughter and her boyfriend help me frame out the back of the workbench. I offered to pay them part of what I make on this video, but that would probably only be like 37 cents, so they opted for an hourly rate. So make sure you subscribe. So this entire back wall is getting the wall control pegboard treatment. This stuff is perfect for resin printing because it's metal, it wipes clean, and it lets me hang every funnel, scraper, filter, glove box, and tools I constantly lose. It instantly turns my space from mad scientist bench to a professional resin lab of a mad scientist. And to go with it, I'm adding some lighting to make it even more mad sciencey. So on the bench, we have our classic production machines, the Elegoo Mars 3, the Saturn, and the Elegoo Wash and Cure Station. These are the workhorses and they're staying right where they are. But now the entire setup revolves around one machine, the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro. This thing is the hero of the workstation, massive build volume, beautiful print quality, and it's already becoming my go-to for big terrain pieces, miniatures, props, and anything highly detailed. So everything in the space, the lighting, the organization, the workflow are designed for resin 3D printing. That's a new resin part of the Maker Build It shop. Clean, organized, and ready for some absolute ridiculous build. Follow along because I have a few big resin projects coming that this M7 Pro is perfect for. I'm Brian DeLuca, this is Maker Build It, and remember, keep on making.